Good morning. We're at 12 Terry Drive in Mastic, in front of a house that's the siding is off on the side of it. There's a huge hole in the roof, and it's been vacant for a long time. The town has had to board it up. It has become full of mold, and it has become structurally unsafe and a threat to the neighborhood. So today, we're taking this house down. It's a shame, but it's something that has to be done. I'll let Dan talk a little bit about what we're doing with the houses here, Mastic, Shirley, and throughout the town that are structurally unsound.
Sure, thanks, Ed. Well, this is the latest in our effort to clean up the Tri-Hamlet community, but also all of Brookhaven town. This is a beautiful block, good neighborhood, good neighbors. This has sat as an eyesore for years, and this property, sitting in the condition that it's in, has robbed each and every one of the properties on this block of value. Today, when this house comes down, everyone's home value in the community, in the immediate area, will rise. It will not be a decrepit eyesore on this block anymore, an attractive nuisance for kids. This area will be cleaner, safer, and the way it should be. Everybody in this immediate area and in the town of Brookhaven deserves to live in a clean, safe neighborhood, and that's what we aim to do. We've taken down and caused to be taken down over 200 structures since we began this effort. And that may seem like a lot, but there are more to go. We're moving at a furious pace. We're going to give the residents the quality of life that they deserve.
Final message to those who own property, whether they be homeowners or banks: maintain your property. Because if you don't maintain your property, if it becomes so decrepit and it's falling down and you have holes in the roof and you have mold, we're going to move to take it down because the neighborhood doesn't deserve this. Thank you.